Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create 3Commas trading platform and then put it here minimum money and generate maximum profit from crypto trading. That one is a crypto trading booth. So how to create account and what exactly features ongoing on that particular 3Commas platform. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google, type 3Commas, enter, look at this 3Commas crypto trading booth auto coin Bitcoin exchange platform. You just simply click here in this particular link. I am putting this link in same video description. 3Commas websites also available like in App Store and Google Play Store. You download and do same process what exactly I am doing current. So first of all, we sign up here. So sign up point of view, you can try 3Commas risk free via your Apple ID or your Facebook ID. Otherwise you can use your own Gmail address. So I go with my Facebook simply, okay, and continue. And now my 3Commas account is open. So if you have already Binance or FTX account, so you can connect this account via your API key and you connect 3Commas platform the other two other platforms. It's simple to sign up this one. So we are going to the my profile. This is my profile 3Commas. Here is my dashboard. If I connected already in Binance account, this process learn about the more this particular transaction. Otherwise I click my dashboard. If you do something using this one, this is a 3Commas wallet. You need to create a Binance or FTX account. I already make a video. You watch this video, create and connect, and then use 3Commas wallet for the transaction perspective or buy, send, exchange your cryptocurrency, all your favorite cryptocurrency places. Like here in the n number of cryptocurrencies are available. Those are very famous nowadays. So you can create as a 3Commas wallet, merge Binance account API key and enjoy 3Commas crypto wallet. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.